along all of them, all these. But stay close to me at all times, or they get trod on. And where are the cats? Look at her, look at ready and the knees are not. Look at her, arms are the eggshell shot. Then the neighbors screaming out, when you see our room. Please not that one around. Why are you so rude? Look at you, look at me, what's the matter? Isn't it obvious? Why do I make you all laugh and scoff? Haven't you seen your reflection? Why don't we play with the fishes? Because you scared them off!
Now in a moment, you'll be presented with her Grace, the fair stuck on the lake. She was once paired with the red mandarin. That's the most greatest estate bush a duck could enjoy. She looks up to both animal and mankind.
Now, keep your toes in and just politely say quack.